Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we have a fantastic device to discuss that's going to turbocharge your internet experience. It's the TP-Link USB Wi-Fi adapter AC1300Mbps. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know why this little gadget can make a big difference. Are you tired of slow internet speeds holding you back? The TP-Link AC1300Mbps USB Wi-Fi adapter is here to the rescue. With AC1300 dual-band Wi-Fi, it ensures your device runs at lightning-fast speed. That's 867 Mbps on the 5 GHz band and 400 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band. Say goodbye to frustrating lag and buffering. But wait, there's more. The TP-Link Archer T3U Plus is equipped with cutting-edge MU-MIMO technology. That's right, it's not just about speed, it's about efficiency too. MU-MIMO improves the throughput and efficiency of your entire network, especially when paired with a compatible MU-MIMO router. Are you looking for flexible connectivity? The Archer T3U Plus offers the best of both worlds with its 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. This means your devices can tap into the latest dual-band Wi-Fi routers, giving you faster speeds and an extended range. No more dead zones in your home. It's not just about speed, it's also about staying connected. The Archer T3U Plus boasts 5 dBi high-gain antennas, providing advanced signal reception and transmission strength. These external antennas make sure your connection stays strong even when you're far from the router. Wondering if it's compatible with your system? Rest assured, this Wi-Fi adapter plays nice with the latest operating systems, including Windows and macOS 10.9 to 10.15. So, whether you're on a Windows PC or a Mac, you're covered. So, there you have it, the TP-Link Archer T3U Plus USB Wi-Fi adapter. Lightning-fast speed, efficiency-boosting technology, dual-band flexibility, strong signal reception, and wide compatibility. It's the complete package for a better internet experience. If you're as excited about this product as I am, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And of course, subscribe to Product Critique for more awesome tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, a faster and more reliable internet connection can change the way you experience the digital world. Stay tuned for more tech insights right here on Product Critique. This is your host, your name, signing off.